Hi, you're watching part one to a multi-part video for one complete makeup look. As the videos are made available, I will put them in the description box down below, but for now, roll that beautiful brow footage! Hi there everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Crystal and today we are focusing on the eyebrows. We are going to use concealer today to make them stand out just a little bit more than what they already do and help clean up the edges, and so they will look really sharp. As you can see, I've already done my eyebrows and my eyeliner, but not my eyelashes. If you want to see how I did the eyebrows and eyeliner, I will put a link down below on my previous video on my minimal makeup look. So let's get started. I'm using my Maybelline New York cover stick. It has a very lipstick-like texture, and all I'm going to do is use it to outline the shape of my eyebrow in very short strokes. Doesn't necessarily have to be a full line across. We just want to get it in there and we will blend it out later. Also, please note that before I began, I already applied my primer all over my face because today I am not doing eyeshadow. This is going to be an everyday, I woke up like this type look. As you can see, I didn't get too terribly close, so I'm going to use my beauty instrument of choice to blend things out. I am using a silicone beauty blender that I got from Ulta Beauty for the beautiful price of $1.50 on the clearance rack. When you look at the instrument, you can see that one side is very flat and the other is curved. You want to use the curved side to blend. However, when you're getting into those really sharp places that you don't necessarily want to push product onto your completed brows, is you can feel free to change the position of your blender. Now, you don't necessarily need to have a silicone blender. Any kind of blender will work, whatever works best for you. I like the silicone blender because I find that it is easier to clean between every use, and I feel like I'm wasting less product. If it's not fully blended out, that is okay because we still have to go in with our foundation. This has cleaned up the edges. You can see the difference between the complete side and the incomplete side. My co-host, Dolly, is in the background today, just looking for food, even though she's already been fed, because cat lady life. Give me 1 minute and I'm gonna finish the other brow. I haven't blended things out yet, but you might be able to see I accidentally got my eyebrow, which is quite noticeable when you have dark hair like mine. That is okay. Wait until you blend it out to go ahead, go back in with your brow pencil or whatever you have, and we can fix that. It's no problem. Sometimes makeup just takes a little bit of guesswork and creativity. Now that the brows are complete, you can see that the edges look much sharper than what they did before I added concealer. And by now, your primer should be completely set in so we can proceed to add our foundation. Today, I used this NYX Pore Filler Primer. Now, full disclosure, this is my first time ever using it. I don't know what's gonna do to my face, and I still have topical medication on my face, so things aren't gonna sit all that great, but the good news is, I don't have anywhere to go! My usual foundation is CoverGirl Outlast. It is about light to medium coverage, and you can apply it directly on your silicone beauty blender. However, if you have a sponge, in order to have more control of how much product you put on, you may want to apply it to the back of your hand and then pick it up from the back of your hand with your sponge. As for me, I put it directly on the blender, and you rub it on first and then gently pat it in. And because I'm not also putting on any eyeshadow today, I will also be applying the foundation to my eyelids, which is why I haven't done my mascara yet, because it's probably going to get on my eyelashes a little bit, and I don't want to get mascara on my blender and have a black gloopy mess smeared all over my face. You want to take special care to get into creases like the nose, otherwise you're going to have awkward bald spots of foundation, and that's not cute, especially since it can end up looking like you have dirt on your face, just being honest. If you need to add more product onto your blender, go for it. Oh no. Oh no. With my topical medications, this is coming on really flaky, really cakey and patchy. Okay, we're gonna live with it. Oh no. At least I don't have anywhere to go. The only one that's gonna see it up close is me and my mama, and she loves me no matter what. My brother will roast me though, so. But that's what brothers are for. The cats won't judge me. Scratch that. All cats ever do is judge. Dolly's already judging me. She's already on my desk making her way over. You want to make sure to also apply some level of foundation down your neck, because you don't want your face to be a different color than the rest of you. It's pretty obvious when that happens, especially if your foundation isn't a very good match for you. You want to make sure you blend it out. You know, I was going to ask my dermatologist if I had any options that would make my makeup not be so on top of these medications at my next dermatology appointment. But who knows when that's gonna be now. That's okay though. I'd rather everyone be safe, including me. If your foundation tries to settle into creases, just go over it again to blend it out so it doesn't set in there. I have some trying to get into the creases of my eyelids, and just blend it out. But today it's not going to be perfect because I have this medication on, and right now my face kind of hurts, but we're going to power through. We're all in this together. After you have finished applying your foundation, you want to go in with some kind of powder before you add anything else. Cat hair everywhere. The reason you want to put a powder on before anything else is because, just like with my topical medications, if you put liquid on top of liquid, it's just going to pile on and be cakey, and rather than actually layering on the product. That's it for this part of the video. This is going to be a multi-part series, so even though I'm wearing the same clothes, I promise I'm not wearing them every single day. This is all being filmed at once. Can't wait to see you next time. Stay safe, wash your hands, and please stay home. Social distance is very important at a time like this. See you next time.